Imagine a world where glass rains sideways at 5,400 miles per hour, slicing through the atmosphere like a cosmic blender. Picture a planet so dark it makes coal look bright, where you'd be flying blind in eternal night. Envision a world hotter than the surface of the sun, where molecules literally tear apart in the heat. These aren't scenes from a science fiction nightmare. These are real planets that exist in our universe right now. Since the first exoplanet was discovered in 1995, astronomers have found over 5,000 alien worlds, and some of them are so bizarre, so utterly alien, that they challenge everything we thought we knew about planetary formation. From diamond planets worth more than Earth's entire economy, to worlds being devoured alive by their own stars. From planets with 2 suns to rogue worlds drifting alone in the cosmic void. The universe has created a menagerie of worlds that would make even the wildest science fiction. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the strangest planets ever discovered. Prepare to have your mind blown by worlds so alien, so impossible, that they'll change how you see the universe forever. This is the strangest planets ever discovered. Buckle up for a cosmic ride through the most alien worlds in existence. Our first stop takes us 63 light years from Earth to a world that redefines the meaning of bad weather. Meet HD 189733b, a planet where it literally rains molten glass sideways at speeds that would make a Category 5 hurricane look like a gentle breeze. This cobalt blue world might look beautiful from a distance, like a serene ocean planet floating in space. But don't be fooled by its deceptive appearance. HD 189733b is a death trap wrapped in a pretty package. The planet's stunning blue color comes from silicate particles in its atmosphere, essentially microscopic glass shards suspended in the air. But here's where it gets truly terrifying. Winds on this world reach speeds of 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Imagine standing on this world. If you could somehow survive the 1,800-degree Fahrenheit temperature, the sky would be a brilliant blue, but instead of peaceful clouds, you'd see a swirling maelstrom of molten glass particles. The wind would hit you like a cosmic sandblaster, except instead of sand, it's razor-sharp glass moving at hypersonic speeds. HD 189733b earned the nickname the Slasher Planet, and for good reason. It's literally death by a million cuts, where the very air would slice you apart in seconds. This is what happens when a gas giant orbits so close to its star that it becomes a hellish weather machine. If HD 189733b is a planet of violent light, our next destination is its polar opposite, a world of absolute darkness. Welcome to Tres 2b, the darkest planet ever discovered, a world that absorbs more light than coal. Located 750 light years from Earth, Taurias 2b reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it. To put that in perspective, charcoal reflects about 4% of light, and black acrylic paint reflects about 5%. This planet is literally darker than the darkest materials we know. But here's the truly mind-bending part. Despite absorbing almost all light, Tres 2b isn't completely invisible. The planet is so hot, over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, that it glows with its own faint red light, like a cosmic ember floating in the darkness. Scientists believe the planet's extreme darkness comes from its atmosphere, which contains light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium, potassium, and titanium oxide. These compounds create a kind of cosmic soot that traps light and prevents it from escaping. If you could somehow visit TRES 2b, you'd experience something no human has ever encountered: true cosmic darkness. You wouldn't see your hand in front of your face. The only light would be the faint red glow of the planet's own heat, creating an eerie, hellish ambiance that would make the darkest cave on Earth seem bright by comparison. But here's the catch. and it's a big one. The surface temperature of 55 Cancri E reaches 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt copper. The planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side faces permanent day while the other experiences eternal night. The day side is covered in a global ocean of lava. Recent observations have revealed something even more spectacular. The planet's atmosphere sparkles. Scientists believe this is due to silicate particles, essentially tiny glass beads suspended in the superheated air, creating a glittering jewel-like appearance when viewed from space. Imagine standing on this world. If you could somehow survive the hellish conditions, you'd be surrounded by an ocean of molten lava stretching to the horizon, while above you, the sky would literally sparkle like a cosmic jewelry box. The ground beneath your feet would be worth more than entire planets, but you'd be standing on a surface hot enough to vaporize most metals. 55 Cancri E represents the ultimate cosmic irony, a planet worth more than we could ever spend, located in a place we could never reach, with conditions that would instantly kill any visitor. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that among those points of light are worlds beyond imagination, planets where glass rains sideways, where diamonds form the ground beneath your feet, where two suns set over unfamiliar horizon, where the very concept of normal has no meaning. The universe is stranger than we can imagine, and we're just getting started. If this cosmic journey through the strangest planets ever discovered has blown your mind, make sure to subscribe for more explorations into the peculiar and wonderful universe we call home. And let me know in the comments, which of these strange worlds would you most want to visit? And what do you think we'll discover next?